monthly income in rupees of certain agricultural workers is S and that of other workers is T. The number of agricultural workers are 11 times that of the other workers. Then the average monthly income in rupees of all the workers is here. The agri workers, let the number be A, and other workers, let the number be O. Let the average income of every agri workers be S. It's already given, and other workers is T. Okay. Now what we'll do is total income of agri workers is what? Say number into average income, right? AS, and that of other workers is O into T, OT, right? So total number of workers is agri plus others is A plus O, and total income is agri plus others is AS plus OT, right? What we want? Average of all. So average income of all workers is total income upon total workers. So AS plus OT upon A plus O. But A equals to 11O. Why? It's given. Number of agri workers is 11 times that of other workers. So A equals to 11O. Substitute. You will get 11O into S plus OT upon 11O plus O. Right? O goes. So what remains? 11S plus T upon 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. So 11S plus T upon 12 is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.